Okay, so interestingly enough, an argument could be made to remove this tree. However, upon a closer look at the data, what I did is, I'll show you the wound on the other side again, but I drilled in this way, this way, this way, and I've got really, really solid findings. A good 10 inches or better. I ran the resistograph all the way out, 18 inches, and I have solid wood on 3 sides. And then here, adjacent to the wound, I went 6 inches above, 6 inches left and 6 inches right, and the wound, the softness of the wood is a little bit bigger, but you've got a large buttress here and here reacting, as well as a strap here and here. Now, that being said, some people might be like, oh, hey, take it down. This area represents this decay area relative to the full circumference of the tree is probably 1/6 to 1/5 the full diameter. So walk through this with me real quick. Here's what I'm thinking. It does have an established lean. Man, it's hard to see, but there's a couple nice lateral cuts I can make out here, and then it's hard to see one out over the street. And I think over time, force this growth back, and maybe in 36 months you come back and you re-drill, you know? So if the client wants to keep the tree, we can probably mitigate and just keep checking it. That's a conservative approach. And the other side would be just, hey, take it down. So I'll contemplate these findings and see what's what. Hey, throw any comments at me. See what you think. Just curious what some other ARBs out there might be thinking. We don't see a lot of this. A lot of times we just see the big tree takedowns, and that's kind of what gets everybody going. But you know, it's nice when we have an ability to look at a tree like this and really see if we can get a look at this other leader. I'll kind of show you. Yeah, it's really hard to see, but because this little maple's in the way. But over the street up in here, there's another place of reduction and some up here. So even if we can do 15, 20% and drive some growth back in, and actually hard for you to see, but a couple years ago, it wasn't us. Someone took this big leader off, and that's like a 15-inch cut. So it already got deleveraged pretty significantly, but not by us. So anyway, there it is, a view from the field.